kill these hives.
Are they in the field then?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. They're coming towards me. They went in the red gate bit.
Yeah.
They're looking our way.
Oh, one's here, one's here, one's here.
I headshot one.
You filthy fucker. Right, I'm getting into this field. No trait.
Crows.
Crows.
Dogs.
Yep.
Yeah, they're around that
There's a, yeah.
I headshot one, I got one. Killed one.
I just saw one jump in. So he might go up a ramp soon or something.
I see him on the stairs.
Nice hit.
Fucking shot. Right, I'm just taking a massive risk assuming that there's not a team.
Yeah. We at some point, you know, unless we literally just sit still and don't play. Good hit. Is that one of the guys from Bethesda? It says one each.
And one's behind there.
I've just blocked the bounty. Oh, he's on me. I'm hurt. I need to vital.
Oh, I killed him.
There's one that way. I'd keep your position at the moment. Okay. Yeah. Oh, medium ammo. Oh, more medium ammo. Cool.
One just walked in right in front of me. Oh my god. Shot close.
Is that you?
No.
He's at me. What the fuck? He's bad. He's just 2 shots on me when I stood still.
He's up there.
Up where?
Yeah.
Up on the other ledge.
Yeah. Killed one. Oh! Yeah.
10 seconds.